Thank you for having me today. My name is Patty Violi, and I'm a disability specialist here in the DRC at UNLV. The DRC is committed to supporting students with disabilities through the appropriate use of advocacy, accommodations, and supportive services to ensure access to the campus, their courses, and other services and activities. We currently serve approximately 1,500 students with documented disabilities ranging from continuing ed and non-degree seeking students, first-year freshmen, all the way to medical residents and postdoc students. 95% of our students have hidden disabilities, which range from mental health to chronic disabilities, which are not always apparent when looking at the student. We also pride ourselves on providing guidance and training to faculty and staff so that you all can better understand what our office does and how it operates and how we support students, but also how we support you as a staff or as a valued member of our. If a student needs to register with our office because of a disability, they can complete the application on our homepage, unlv.edu/drc. It's a small data gathering document that asks for their name, NSHE, and other information about their disability and how it impacts them in the academic realm. Once they've completed that application, they'll be asked to submit documentation of their disability from a licensed provider. If a student has a learning disability, we do accept an IEP from the school district, but we may require more testing to look at the functional impacts of their disability on the academic environment. Each week, our team meets for documentation review, and we review all the applications and documentation that have come in that week. The turnaround time for a student requesting accommodations is approximately 1 to 2 weeks. It depends on when they submit their documentation. Once the decision of the student's request has been determined, the student will be invited to come in to speak with a disability specialist to determine what are the most appropriate accommodations to support them in their coursework. A quick note is that accommodations are not retroactive. The student may not be approved for accommodations that need to cover activities that happened before they registered. Common accommodations you may see that come from our office are testing accommodations, especially extended time in a quiet testing environment. With classes going remote, that extended time will probably be online, and that will just be extended out in Canvas. And if you have questions on how to extend out time in Canvas or Web Campus, please do not hesitate to contact our office. Course accommodations, students may be approved to audio record their classes. We do have technology that helps them organize those recordings. And you may also still see the traditional note-taking request as an accommodation. We have a very robust assistive technology team that supports students in accessing technology that will help them access their coursework, their readings, and the class itself. We also have a deaf and hard of hearing services that provides remote captioning and transcription for students with that need. If you have any questions about accommodations or how to refer a student to our office, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to working with you this year.